Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here 2 butane is given. You are reacting with palladium and barium sulfide. The question is about what type of double bond will form, the cis double bond or trans double bond. The reaction is very important in terms of stereospecificity. Here you are adding palladium and barium sulfate to the triple bond with hydrogen. So what really happened? The hydrogen addition happened. Which way hydrogen will add? It will add on same phase or opposite phase. So trans or cis is the question here. Here cis is the major product. The reason I given below in the box. Here you are using the metal and reacting with alkyne. Metal attached with triple bond through adsorption on the same phase. Because alkene has triple bond, it has to bind symmetrically to create the interaction. Attraction happened, so the reduction happened in the same way. So the reduction happened on same phase, you end up with the cis product. So the binding leads to the cis product. So the Lindlar's catalyst always produce the cis product with alkyne. Here the concept you have to learn here is Lindlar's catalyst, which is palladium and barium sulfate with hydrogen. The catalyst reduces the triple bond to the double bond in the cis fashion. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.